This is the land. It's the deck. We'll go down here and take a look at the boats. A couple nice looking boats down here. These are neighbors. Neighbor's cabin. Volleyball net. Don't really use that much, but our deck, right? Our cabin. Neighbors. Our cabin. Lots of grass. Leo, come on. Here's Leo playing with the neighbors. Leo, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. This is the lake. It's just a tad nice right now, babe, so that's Smur's boat. Nice one. Oh, Leo's going down to the lake here. We're on the beach. We're on the beach. Another boat. The same boat. Pretty nice boat. Yep. Leo's drinking. Hey! What are you doing? It's Molson. Molson, he's the veteran around here. Hey, bud? He's a veteran. Leo, you're drinking lake water. Fucking dummy. Go swimming. Go swim. Go swim. It's the beach. We're on the beach. These guys are hilarious. Yep. That's the lake. Out that way. Part of the lake. Another, yeah, I like boats. We don't get to drive that one too much. We'll go look at the other one though. Leo, over here. So here's our little buggy. Brum brum. That's a 200 saltwater. 19-footer. That'll go. That goes. That goes out there. It goes. That boat goes out there. Out there. Pretty quick too. Neighbors. You got a couple little dinghies over there, but you know, not much. Leo likes to go for boat rides. Going for a boat ride? Hey? Yeah. What? Hey, can you sit? Can you say hi to Kristen? Say hi to Kristen. Hey, Leo. Hey, sit. Leo. Leo. Leo, you gonna sit? Good boy. Yes. Yeah. I'm a stud, Leo says. See me? I'm a stud. Yeah. Hey. Hello. 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 How are you? Yes. So that's what it's about, babe. Beaches, boats. Beaches and boats so far. What do you figure, Mols? Pretty nice night out here, though. That's a pretty nice boat, too. That boat goes out there. That boat there goes out there.